Hi there guys, Richard here from the Leather Repair Company. This is LRC25. This is our quick dry filler and it does exactly what it says on the bottle. It dries quick. We designed this to help technicians while they were on the road or in someone's home and they needed a filler that dried very quickly. This is exactly that. It dries completely clear as well, so it's actually a very universal, brilliant product. It's actually fantastic. So give it a bit of a shake before we use it. And the good thing with this with the quick dry filler is you can put it on with a spatula or you can literally sponge it on so you get almost like a sort of a bit of a grain effect with it as well if you wanted to. So we've got obviously some rough areas here and we're going to just take the top off for a second because it's going to be easier for me to do this. And I'm just going to pour that out. Normally you just pour it through the spatula, through the top of the thing, and you're just going to literally wipe that into the leather like so. Get that in, and as I say, if you wanted to put it on with a sponge, you can see what it is like, and you can just literally stipple that in to push that into the grain like that, so it would create like a sort of a little bit of a grain area, you know, with the quick dry filler. It dries very quick, speed it up with the hairdryer, and it's just a fantastic product. LRC25 is quite a universal product, so it's brilliant for sort of like where you've put maybe a bit of heavy filler in there, and then this needs to go over the top to cure it and to, you know, give a much stronger sort of bond to the surface, so to speak, if you like. It's a very quick drying filler. As I say, applicator with spatula or with a sponge to create like a little bit of a grain effect with stippling it on. It's a brilliant product, LRC25. Any questions, hop on over to the website. Thank you very much.